Zenith Defy 21 Ultraviolet Watch. Main features are case material, titanium case with a brushed and polished finish for a lightweight yet robust construction. Case diameter is 44 mm. Movement caliber 9004, an automatic chronograph movement. Frequency high frequency of 36,000 vibrations per hour, 5 Hz. Power reserve approximately 50 hours. Chronograph features a 1/100th of a second chronograph precision. Number of components 293. Open work dial showcases a complex, skeletonized design. Ultraviolet color accents on the dial. Dial features skeletonized hour and minute hands. Subdials for the chronograph function. Sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating for enhanced durability and clarity. Rubber strap in black with a texture that matches the high-tech design of the watch, also featuring ultraviolet accents. Titanium folding clasp to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Water resistance up to 100 meters or 10 atm. Limited edition with only 250 pieces produced, making it exclusive and collectible.